when we went out of Ladakh, and we visited many good bakeries and all, and we saw a lot of varieties of products, and then and we wanted to bring all those things to Ladakh. We started Sugar House in a very small house. That time we used to bake only for barista. We used to follow the barista corporate recipes and all. And once we were sure that the product is quite good, and then we thought, like, why not now give it to the mass? To be honest, it was not. We were not trained to be a baker. We were just another kid in the town who wanted to earn their living. So we did quite a lot of R&D, and then it's all started like that.
My responsibility to make a base of a carrot cake and apricot cheesecake, which is very wonderful cake of this bakery, and that cakes loves everybody loves that cakes.
The staffs no need to have a very experienced, and anyone can come. The condition is that be with us at least for 1 or 2 years. We'll train them, and then when they're trained enough, and when they wanted to go and do their own, we help them actually to set up their unit also. Not financially, but then technically, yes, we help them. We wanted to showcase the Sugar House as a unit where the customer can see actually how hygienically it is being made, and how freshly products are baked. And just it is one of our fantasy actually to see having a fresh baked croissant or a fresh baked something coming out of oven and serving it to the customer. That was the idea, to keep it open bakery concept actually, so that the customer will have more trust. We are just providing the space, we're getting the equipments and all, but then the soul or the heart of the Sugar House is my staff actually. Okay, they are the real people who is giving that flavor to those flowers. That is the idea actually, to keep it open. This is a place where anyone can come, anyone can learn actually.
I am learns carrot cake and different types of cookies, and also I learn to make improve and design my cake.
We motivate our staff to do their R&D, to explore. Go crazy, try any product. And we have no restriction on them, like they are wasting products. No, it's not, because we need to explore, isn't it? To have something beautiful coming out of it. So it is a place to explore, it is a place to learn, and it is a place even for the customers actually. When they come, it is something like kind of a kitchen for them actually, to see and to really taste it. And when we are talking about the food, we eat food, but then before eating we see the food, isn't it? It is the place to have all this actually experiential actually. Whatever money I'm making is not like goes to me or my partner. We share with our staff also. So every month, every financial year, in the month of April, their target comes for a whole year. Okay, this month you have to make this much of sale. Okay, then if you make this much of sale, then you get this much of incentive. So it's kind of motivate them also, and then share your. If you are making money, why not share with the staff also? So last year we have like target 1, 2, 3 like that, and then if you achieve the 4th target continuously for a whole year 12 times, then you get a visit to a foreign country also. Why? We want to show them how beautiful a croissant can be out of Ladakh, and how beautiful this foods and industry it is.